Well, hello, my friends. I'm up in nature again. Today is March 24th, 2018. I'm in the place that I love to be, out in nature. Take a look around me right now. Take a look. "365 degrees. I am so thankful for my life. I'm thankful that I've got another day, that I can simply make a difference in my life, and maybe make a difference in yours. I don't take life for granted. Tomorrow's not promised. We've got the moment right now. Live in the moment. Don't live for tomorrow. It may not be here. It may not come. Don't live in the past. It's already gone. All you've got is the moment. I am so thankful for my family and my friends. The best gifts I could ever have in my whole life. They can't be replaced. Not at all. If you get some time, actually, why don't you make some time and let those people that are closest in your life know that you love them, that you care about them. They'd love to hear from you. And you might surprise a few people that you haven't talked to in a long time. Pick up that phone. Get on a social media of some sorts, whatever communications you use, and call up that person that you haven't talked to in a while and let them know that you've been thinking about them and that you care about them and that you love them. Life is so precious. It really is. And I'm so thankful for it. I've always said, when someone's down, help build them up. Lift them up. Not only will it make you feel good, but it'll make that other person feel pretty awesome too, that you took time out of your own day to help someone else out. Make people feel like they're important. If you got kids, let them know how proud you are of them. How often do you do that? "20 years from now, your child might say to you, 'Dad, Mom, I remember when you told me so many times how proud you were of me. Thank you. I appreciate that. It made an impact on my life.'" I love life with a passion. I've only got one, and I'm trying to make the best of it. I'm trying to be the best person I can possibly be. I want to lift people up. I want to give a hand up. People will always recognize me for the deeds that I do. Good deeds. Throwing positivity towards people that are down and out. Maybe giving that $5 to that person that you see on the streets sitting on the sidewalk, a hat perched in between their legs. Throw that $5 in there. Who cares where it goes? Don't assume. A lot of us are very stereotypical of where that money might go. The first thing we think of is, oh, they're going to buy alcohol or drugs. Wow. Don't judge. That $5 might change that person's whole life. You don't know that. Today's an awesome day. Beautiful, sunny, about 45 up here in the Pennsylvania mountains. A place that I enjoy being at. There's this rock structure I'm coming upon. I want to show it to you. If you look all the way down this mountain, check this out, you'll see my truck. Right down there. Do you see my truck? There's my truck way down the mountain. Pretty awesome. But there's this rock structure here, part of nature. I've wondered about stuff like this, how it got here. Oh, man. May the sun shine upon your face and the wind always be at your back. Pretty cool thing. Check it out. Check it out. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Now from the other side, it's actually more impressive. I climbed up this trail to get up here. Look down through the rocks there. Nature, and art form in itself. Be thankful for your life. Be kind to one another. Always spread the peace. Because it's the right thing to do. Wow. Pretty cool. If you're lonely and you're looking for a friend, you've got a friend right here in Cab 7, aka Ben. I tell that to everyone. I don't mind being a friend. A part of being a friend is that you're true to them. You support one another in good times and in bad. You give a hug when needed. Pat on the shoulder and say, you did a good job, my friend. You did. You become a listening post. You give advice. This is kind of steep going down this hill. Check it out. It's pretty steep. Whoa. Now if you look over here, check out that rock. Pretty cool. Whoa. Pretty awesome. Mother Nature. There's a creek down here. This trail is next to a highway. So you hear the cars passing by. That's okay. It's alright. I'm gonna get down by the creek here. Check out the creek. Pretty cool. And if you look from the other direction, it looks like it kind of goes on forever and ever and ever. Check it out. Look at that. I thought I'd take this opportunity to bring you out into nature with me. For those that can't get out, the disabled, the ones that are homebound, I'm your feet and I'm your legs. I've got other videos here on YouTube of me out in nature. If you're so interested, check it out. I'm going to pull off to the side here. I've got some people behind me. I don't want to hold them up. As I stated in the beginning of this video, be thankful for your life. Make a difference. You know you need to. You can make that change. It begins with you. No one can help you do that. I encourage you, if you see someone down, lift them up. Do the best that you can. It'll make a difference in that person's life. I do comedy videos as well here on YouTube. I'm also a gardener. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. You might like what you see here. I love doing inspirational videos. I do inspirational live streams. To some, it's like a medicine. I hope you enjoy this short hike. I really do. There'll be more to come. I want you all to have a good afternoon, a good night, or a good morning, wherever you may be at on this place that we call Earth, our home. It's the only place that we have. We have no choice. And in that, make it the best that you can. Be kind to one another. Spread the peace, because it's the right thing to do. Nature at its best. Take care, my friends.